I always see these waste pickers, hawkers, scrap dealers, vegetable vendors. They were just pulling everything manually, like pedaling the carts and all. They pull 500 to 600 kgs of load on their carts, causing drudgery, poverty, like muscular pains and a lot of health issues also in the long run. This problem is not limited to any geographical location. This is being faced by like many of the underserved segments in the country. So when we saw it on the roads again, we discussed with our stakeholders that this is a space that is completely empty. We need to develop something for that. So that was the reason of building Accelero. So now this electric kits is basically eliminating all these issues. Earlier, if a cart puller was doing 3 to 4 trips in a day, they were able to earn somewhere close to 10 to 12,000 in a month. Now, after this electric kit being installed in their carts, they are able to do like almost you can say 7 to 8 trips. More trips means more income. So ultimately they are coming out of the poverty. The body is getting relaxed because it is the motors that are doing the work now for them. Prior to electric kits, what cart riders were doing, they were getting the obsolete, the scrap, petrol or diesel engine fitted in their carts, emitting excessive pollution, uncontrollable pollution. To make any product more and more affordable, only two approaches are required. One is invention and second is continuous innovation. And with the continuous innovation, the price of that product keeps coming down. So for say, when we launched cart, electric kit for cart, it was priced at 28,000. Now that kit comes at a price of 23,000. Now we are again developing a version of it that will come at a price of 18,500. And we are pushing our products through these cycle shops. Having the product in different geographies, I think, is the key thing that Accelero is focusing right now. Over the last 1 year, more than 1,000 cart pullers availed this product. Right now, over the last 5 years, we have been able to expand in different parts of Uttar Pradesh. Till date, around more than 5,000 beneficiaries are there that have availed the electric cycles or the electric carts. We should know what we have developed, why it has been developed, how it has been developed, and then that product should go into the market. So the product has to be very competent enough. The product has to solve those problems that the users are facing up. I think we need to have the people from those segments only because they understand what the problem is at the same time. Using their experience, turning into opportunities for themselves as well as company as well as for our customers. Getting associated with Upaya, this ClimaFii, the entire initiative is an excellent approach. At Accelero also we believe in the same thesis that don't give anything for free, rather create a solution that people can avail and they can come out of the poverty like through dignified jobs. Dignity at work means giving equal opportunity to all the people, having a respectable life in terms of work, in terms of whatever we do. At the same time, climate change is a very big concern. So with the ClimaFii program, this electric mobility will have a deeper penetration. So it will help us in fighting the climate change for the entire country as well.